Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by confirming system prerequisites. 8 plus GB RAM, 20 plus GB free, 64-bit CPU with virtualization on. Once done, install the recommended JDK version that matches Android Studio so Gradle runs predictably. Then run the Android Studio installer now. Choose the default SDK path unless you have a reason to move it. Make sure to allow the installer to download SDK components during setup so you don't interrupt later steps. You should open SDK Manager and install the specific Android platform and matching build tools your project requires. This ensures compile and runtime parity. Once installed, set SDK locations and switch update channels if you need canary or stable bits. Accept all licenses to avoid build failures. Next, create an AVD using an x86 system image and enable Haxum or your OS hypervisor. Allocate at least 2 GB of RAM so the emulator performs smoothly during development. You finish by creating a new project, selecting a template and a realistic minimum SDK so installs work on your test devices. Then connect a physical device with USB debugging enabled or launch the AVD and press Run to build and debug. Android Studio will download any missing components automatically. If something breaks, check Gradle version compatibility, proxy environment variables, and SDK path mismatches. One quick troubleshooting tip: invalid caches can be fixed with file invalidate caches /restart.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.